Hello everyone, my name is Devanshu Patel and I am a project manager for this project DB Hotel Management System, and this is a project kickoff meeting for implementing a DB Hotel Management System. I invite all the attendees and I welcome all of you. James Alex, CEO, Mary Jones, Administrative Officer, DB Hotel, Charles Dixon, System Analyst, Devanshu Patel, myself, Project Manager, Alma Shaver, Software Engineer or Software Designer, Michael Hoff, Sub-Assistant Engineer Testing, and Scott Robert, Computer Engineer Developer. The main agenda of this project kickoff meeting are project objectives. The DB Hotel introduction, I will brief you about what DB Hotel is doing, the current system DB Hotel is using, the problem DB Hotel is facing with the current system, and the proposed system and the roles and responsibility of the proposed system, and the key benefits DB Hotel will get after implementing this system, use case diagram, project process requirement, project estimated cost, delivery deadlines, testing, and lastly question and feedbacks. So the project objective, the main objectives are to develop a system that can allow a user to search a room, reserve hotel room, or cancel or book a reservation over the internet at any time, to enable automated data entry methods, ensure efficient and reliable communication within the hotel, also with the customer, also to avoid data entry errors by use of input mask, real-time information of availability of rooms, and the last one is this is the most important one, to enable to provide 100% customer satisfaction, which is really a key factor in especially in this hotel business. I'm giving you the brief idea about what DB Hotel is doing. DB Hotel is one of the iconic tourist attracted hotel in southern coastline, and they have 50 years of experience in this industry, and most of the tourists visit this hotel because they have a nice view of the sea from the hotel. DB Hotel offers direct instant access to the beach, and it's just steps from best events and nightlife around the area. And the rooms they are providing, which are really spacious, they give a lot of good service, like they have a 32-inch LCD screen, TV in the room, microwave, refrigerator, and they have furnished balcony facing ocean also. And also they have such different kind of rooms which has a full kitchen capability, like they have a full kitchenette available with utensils and microwave, refrigerator, so which is good for the customers who are staying for like couple of days, like 15 or 20 days for longer stay. So that will be really good for the customer. Also DB Hotel provides a good breakfast and dining option also at the hotel. So, and also they have a 24-hour guest workout fitness center, which right now all of them need it. So these are the basic introduction about the DB Hotel. Now current system analysis and overview. So currently DB Hotel is using manual system to handle the hotel, all the hotel processes going on. When guest make a reservation, or guest come for the stay, all the reservation detail recorded in the file, and they write it down on the piece of paper, and they have different kind of forms, and those form goes into document control room for storage. Excuse me. Calculation and bill of bills and inventories and all the other calculation related to hotel management done by manually. So as the current system is manual based, management has to put so much effort in securing those files, and it takes so much time and waste much precious man hours, and they have to hire a lot of resourcement also in order to complete this process and complete this task on time. Although we cannot trust accuracy of calculation are done by manually, if we want to check previous room record and reservation detail. Management has to put a lot of time, and they get a hard time to retrieve all those data. The problem with the current system. So current system has, as I said, like they are storing the documents in the room, so it says is it like occupy a lot of space, so it will be a large storage space. The physical file occupy too much space of about 2 rooms of full storage cabinet. This occupies the hotel's space that could have otherwise been used for income generation by the hotel. Then second one will be difficulty in location of the file. Due to the large number of guest file, location of guest file during checking in, updating of the daily expenditure, receipt generation, and checking out is extremely difficult for the hotel employees. Then poorly generated records, like poorly generated records encourage omission of some important data by the employees also. Then after that, it's a complaint from the guests. So due to poor management of documents, in several cases were reported that were guest complaint of overcharging and charging of service which they haven't used by the guests. So those kind of difficulties also the DB hotel facing. Difficulty in the data analysis also. The accountants usually found it difficult to analyze the guest data during the generation of expenditure bills due to some missing records also. And the guest file can easily get lost or mixed up with the other documents, so this will be a really problem for DB hotels right now. The proposed HMS system, which is a hotel management system we are going to implement, will cover all the basic process done in the hotel. HMS is totally computerized system, and this system deals with online reservation in the hotel. So all the visitor can search for the hotel online, and they can see pictures of the room, what are the amenities hotel is providing, the pool, swimming pool, the location of the room, also different kind of amenities they are providing, and they can also reserve the room online also. Then hotel management system will help a hotel DB to operate efficiently by eliminating all the consuming procedure, and provides a better service to their customers as well as staff also. Then it would be handle guest detail, reservation detail, inventory management detail, room service detail, staff details, and room type. All this information and details are stored in the system database, so they can retrieve it at any time. Sorry, I lost it. Yep, right there. So they can retrieve all the data at any time. So this is the proposed system. Roles and responsibilities. So the system analysis Charles Dixon will responsible to record together all the data. Software designer Alma Sheva responsible for SRS system. Myself, I will be handling the whole project, planning, scope, and monitoring and controlling from beginning to end. Developer Scott Robert responsible to develop the website using different kind of language like .NET and C++. DB administrator is responsible to maintain the relation database management system according to the requirement, and Michael Hoff will do the testing and validation. Now, key benefits of this project. So after implementing this project, these are the listed benefits mostly getting by a DB hotel. So after implementing this system, it will generate reports really quickly. So system generates a detailed report that provide clear picture of what's going on within the hotel property and help management to make the appropriate decision and adjustment. And also they can see the future occupancy of the hotel also after generating this report. This system will be time saving, which is HMS system will search and retrieve all the data in the flash, like whatever they need, like a future occupancy or the previous data or the previous customer. They can get all the data in flash. The third one will be security. So HMS makes data and information secure by providing user IDs and password in order to prevent unauthorized access to the system. Then backup and restoring. The database backup helps to protect database data theft, physical damage, uh, and the data will be more secure than the file-based system which DB Hotel is using right now. So it will be really helpful for DB Hotel system. A user-friendly database. HMS provide a user-friendly function. After logging into system, user can have a quick view of all system booking, room availability of week ahead, or all kind of pictures of the room, and they can get good idea of the hotel. And email reminders. Customer can get emails after they book a room to the hotel, so they can have a email in their email box about the reservation. So these are the key benefits of this system. This is a user case diagram which shows the different users. You can see customer, so they can access view profile function, login, check-in room availability, make booking, make payment, cancel booking functions. The reception can access make booking, make payment, cancel booking, ask for room, checkbook, and check booking. They can access check-in time, check-out times, and in the administrator who can access all the function of the system. This is just a one small diagram and to get an idea how this system works. The project requirement. Excuse me. The first one is the type of computers. It is highly advised that the most convenient computers to be used should be mini computers from authorized dealers, most likely Dell. This will ensure maximum compatibility, user friendliness, and reliability. The second will be the operating system. The system analyst is advised that the hotel should install Windows Vista within 2000 Office package. And networking requirement. The system will rely on the network, so it is highly recommended that the fiber optic cable be used to connect the computer. So this will be our project process requirement. This is the hardware requirements, which is listed right here. The project estimated cost is shown here. So it's a breakdown in system development, hardware installation, software installation, then licensing of this system, and training of the system to the DB Hotel employees. So all this goes, and it will be around $41,000. And delivery deadline is breakdown according to the DB Hotel required 4 months lead time. So they have given 4 months of time to get implemented this system. So as per that schedule, we have put a estimated date of all the tasks we have to do. And lastly, the testing. The testing is the process of detecting error, and it performs a very critical role for the quality assurance and for ensuring the reliability. So this all kind of test we're gonna run: code test, unit test, integrated test, negative test, and billing test. So code test will be check the logic of the program. Unit test will test every single module of the system. Integrated test, it includes different modules of the system and tested together by combining all the groups. And negative test will check invalid data to test whether the system obeyed the syntax of the program. And billing testing will be include different methods of calculation of tax categories wise billing and additional of the other service and other reports. So this is basically the project kickoff meeting. If you have any question, feedbacks about this meeting, you can. I'll really appreciate it. The feedbacks.